channel. I hope you're doing really well. So I'm back. Oh my god, last week was one of those weeks that you turn around and go, welcome to motherhood. Even though I've been in motherhood 12 years. Let's just break it down. Darcy did a no-handed cartwheel in the living room and smashed into the radiator. But rewind 3 days before that, Oliver had found the paint in the kitchen and sat there and doused himself in the paint. How on earth he got the lid off, I don't know, but so yeah, so last week, and then we had illness. Jack had to fix his car, so it was literally just a whirlwind of everything just collided together. So I'm back. Happy Friday. I thought, what better way to start this vlog than to have a little catch up and like, you know, everything that's gone off. But not only just that, right, it's Friday night. I'm going out tonight with the girls and I'm so looking forward to it. So I've just got out of the shower and I've washed my hair, and I thought, while I was washing my hair, is there any better way than looking at the condition that it's in? Not only is it longer, it's finally grown. It is making such wonderful progress. It's all thanks to, you know, I'm gonna say it, these guys. I am getting on so well with these. I cannot even tell you how much of a change within 6 weeks, 6-7 weeks, maybe not, no, yeah, about 6-7 weeks, my hair is feeling the best it's ever felt. Now, the first thing that I noticed after about 3 weeks is now let me get this right, the hair loss has nearly disappeared. It's crazy. I think the Dyson really appreciates it because it now doesn't get clogged up full of hair from around the house. We've noticed such a huge difference. So that is one of the first things that I can say that really has impacted me. But it's given my self-confidence back because it's making me feel like, you know, I can wear a ponytail. It doesn't look like somebody's took the scissors to my hair and thinned it that much that it's actually just like disappeared. Like, so it's really thick at the where the bobble sits, and then it's like next to nothing. Which let's just do a side profile. Look at my hair. It looks and it feels incredible. So let me just show you what I've been using. Obviously the Dream Team, which is the shampoo and conditioner. I need to be honest with you about something. It's gonna take, if you are wanting thicker, healthier hair, it does take time. Like, nothing is a miracle worker. You know, you have to be consistent. You have to really be in a good hair routine to benefit from it. I really did think that I had to like not wash my hair for weeks, you know, to get the oils to the roots and this, that and the other. And honestly, I now just wash my hair when it's greasy, which I would say every 3 days I'm washing it. So not only has it stopped my hair getting so greasy, but I think as well I'm not getting that build up in my hair. So, and these are like besties. They really are. So I've got those. And then the serum. Now, I think I spoke about this last time and I wasn't a huge fan of serums because I all thought they was going to make your hair greasy. Not at all. This little beauty, let me just show you the results. So, don't know how well that's picking it up. So as you can see there, look at that growth. 6-7 weeks, like, look at the growth of that. Do I even need to say any more? Then that's the result. But not least are the vitamins, which I haven't taken them this morning. So it is now currently this evening, it's 6 o'clock. So I'm just going to pop 2 in. They're so easy to take. And not only that, they're so nice. And these are filled with everything that your hair needs for growth. So we've got zinc in it, we've got vitamin A, B5, B6, I should really have my glasses on, B12, C and E. Everything that you need. Actually, I really like these. So they're so good. I take 2 in the morning, every morning, just before I brush my teeth. So they're really handy just to keep in the bathroom, next to your toothbrush, so you'll never forget. And the goddess of all goddess, this gives my hair so much volume. So much volume. Maybe a little bit on the higher side, but I love it. All I've done is just blow dried it, but obviously the condition, the shine is just impeccable. With Hair Burst, I've seen a huge difference, and other people is, and my friend has suffered serious hair loss and she's just bought it, and I think she's on week 4, and she actually sent me a text message the other day to say, Tor, what the beep? My hair has never felt so good. And I just was like, oh mate, I'm so pleased for you, because obviously, you know, at the end of the day, you know, she's been looking at mine. Like I say, even when I get married next June, which I can't believe, it's going to be like, it's going to be a year next month. Like, what the hell? I'm so excited. I've got so much things to like tell you, which I think I'm going to do like another video next week of like a weekend vlog, because I think I'm really going to get into these because I actually really like them. So, but yes, these are the products, guys. So we've got the shampoo and conditioner, we have got the spray, we've got the trusty serum and the vitamins. Oh, plus we've got the eyebrow and eyelash serum, which I'm using as well, so I will give you a little update on that maybe next week or the week after. But I have to say this, happy 10th birthday, 10 year, wow, a full decade of investing their time and effort and money into such an incredible product, if I don't mind saying myself. So because it's their birthday, buy one get one free on all bundles, like buy one get one free. And it's not just like buying a bundle and then just getting another product for free. It's like the exact same. It's like the mirror image. It's like 2 of what you've ordered, which is incredible for the price of 1. And not only that, I've got a fantastic discount code, which I will leave in the screen up just here, which is Victoria B20, which will get you a 20% off the price that you're already getting 2 products for, 2 lots of products, should I say, which like literally blows my mind. So I think the product that I'm using is the ultimate healthy hair bundle, which, like I say, you get the shampoo, the conditioner, the chewies, the serum and the spray, plus the eyelash and eyebrow serum for like growth. And for all that, times 2, £82.08. Like, that's just mind-blowing. So I'll leave all the information, the links, the discount codes, everything down below, plus the products that I am using. And I just want to say I am one happy, healthy hair girl. So yeah, so anyway, I need to get ready because I'm going out. I'm so excited to just let my hair down. I like to say that, so I like to say that anyway, I like to let my hair down. But yeah, I just need to finish off my face, get my clothes on, and then I'm off out. So the next time you shall see me will be tomorrow morning. Don't count on it.
I've got to get back. Yeah.
Good morning. Happy Saturday. So it's currently Saturday morning and we are off on a family bike ride this morning. Had such a good night with the girls last night. I know I'm wearing the same t-shirt as I wore in the last vlog, but it just is what it is. This is my bike riding t-shirt, my Sunday t-shirt, even though it's Saturday. So I am just sorting my hair out and tying it up. Jack's just putting the bikes on the bike rack. The kids are ready. I've done their hair. Obviously, mum's always last to get ready. And you'll have seen this morning that we've had a nice chilled morning. But now it's time to go and do some exercise and some fun with the kids, and hopefully get Darcy to be riding without stabilisers. So fingers crossed she doesn't have a meltdown. So yeah, so I'm going to take you with me, rocking the ponytail today. Happy Saturday. So we've just pulled up at Sherwood Pines and this one is fast asleep. So these three are sitting in the back with all the snacks while we wait for him to wake up. Wow.
Oh, nearly, Dars. I know you have.
Ready? Go. Ready? Run. Run. No, go. Go on, Darcy. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going, babes. Keep going, push yourself. Wow, that was testing. So we've just finished our bike ride at Sherwood Pines and the kids are just having a smoothie, and then we're going to go home and we're going to call at the shop and get some tea. But we've had a good day. Darcy's learnt to ride a bike, haven't you, Darcy?
Yeah.
Oliver's chilling on my phone. And I bet Amelia's sitting. Oh, I thought you'd be sitting in the back with your sunglasses on.
They're in the door panel.
Are they? And Darcy, how proud of you of riding your bike today?
Really proud.
And there's my Yingy, which is miserable because he was hungry earlier on. But anyway, so we're just now back in the car. Dad's just fixing the bikes. Oh, and then let's get home. Apart from we've got to dip to Darcy's friend's house because we've got some of her gymnastics gear. But yeah. So the last time I caught up was with you when we was in the car. So we all had such a nice day today. Jack has worked so much just recently that we just haven't seen anything of each other. So I've made a conscious effort today to have a nice day out, and Darcy just smashed riding the bike. So we're back. Been to Darcy's friends, dropped off something. They had a little play, had a catch up with the mum and just had a little cuppa. And then we've come home, they've had the tea, they've had a bath, and everybody is in bed. And it's currently 9 o'clock, so I'm just starting mine and Jack's tea. So we nipped to Aldi on the way back and we both really fancied a Nando's now. Now Jack's already tried the sauce and he says he's rating it out of like 8 out of 10. So it's the peri peri hot, but it's the Aldi version, and I don't know how I'm going to get on with this one because this is the medium and I don't really do spice very well, hence why we've got to have separate. But this is the garlic one. They didn't have any lemon and herb, so I'm going to try it. Jack's tried this, like I said, and he thinks it's lovely. So let's just bring it over here and I'll show you what we've got for tea. So I'm just marinating the chicken at the moment. So that's Jack's, that's mine. We're being super lazy this evening. So we're having sweet mash and carrot, some tender stem broccoli, some halloumi, and then Jack's got some peri peri mayonnaise to go on top. We normally do wraps, but we're just trying to eat a little bit more healthier. So I just thought that will be sufficient. So I'm really looking forward to that. So here's mine, here's Jack's. Oh my God, it smells so good. It looks so nice. So I'm gonna now chill with my Pepsi, my fake away Nando's in front of the TV. Me and Jack started a film last night, but he ended up falling asleep and Oliver was unsettled. So we're just gonna finish that off tonight. But yeah. Happy Saturday, see you in the morning. Happy Sunday, I hope you're really well. Well, it's technically Sunday afternoon. We're having a nice chilled evening tonight. I was going to vlog today, but literally all I've done is washing, tidying, cleaning, outside with the kids because the weather's been gorgeous today. But yeah, there's I'm doing a little bit of decorating, touching up, mainly in the house, just with the touch-up paint that we got when we bought the house. I am now just going to get in the shower and go and sit downstairs. We've got pizzas, onion rings. I'm having a Malibu and Coke because it's needed, because it's bank holiday weekend. And then I'm just going to get into bed and chill. I'm not sure what the kids want to do tomorrow. Jack's back to work, but yeah. So I hope you have had a lovely Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up, and if you like this channel, please subscribe, and I shall see you next Sunday. Take care, bye bye.